Here's how you can apply for an IPO on Upstox.
Go to invest.upstox.com/IPO and pick your preferred IPO by clicking on its details button.
You will now need to enter your user ID and PAN and click Sign in to Upstox. Now, enter your year of birth. Go through the summary page of the IPO that you selected and click on Place Bid. Next, enter your UPI ID and select your investor category. If you're an existing shareholder, choose Shareholder. If not, you can choose Individual Investor. Click on Continue. Remember, you can bid for shares at any price within the IPO's price band or simply choose to bid at the cutoff price. Once you have entered your preferred bid amount, click on Continue. Verify the order details and click Place Order. You will then receive an SMS asking you to confirm your bid by accepting the mandate on your UPI app. And that's it. Applying for an IPO on Upstox is that simple. Happy investing!